Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I'm shooting this video after a very long time. तो मैं 2-3 दिन पहले बैंकॉक गई थी for a layover. So from there I had got so many stuff like body wash, skincare, makeup and few clothes also of course because you have a lot of street market तो वहाँ से आप बहुत ज़्यादा shop कर सकते हो and it's not that expensive but they don't bargain much. But however you can just it depends on your bargain scale how you do it. So आप वो लोग आपको 50 or 100 थाई बात का डिस्काउंट. Open this bag which I have. I bought everything from Watsons and there was one more brand which I will just name down here. So वहाँ से मैंने बहुत सारा makeup and skincare, lot of things I got. From there I literally shop like so much. So let's open this and see what all I got. So the first thing I got is this collagen. This is for my mother-in-law. Let's start with all these of clips and hairpins I got from there. So the first one I have is this. This is like good if you're doing a makeup or something, so you can just clip it on. The second one is also, it's like together. This was like for 20 baht. Then I have this very cute hair clip. This one. This is so cute. This is like a shade. I love it. Then I have this conditioner. This one. I have not tried it yet, but मैंने इसको try नहीं किया है, but I will do it and let's see. I hope this make my hair very smooth because it says like it's extra volume and silky, so I hope it does what it says. And I have this body wash. This is from Baby Bride, peach and strawberry body cleanser. And then I bought one more hair mask which is from Hair System. This one. This was in offer, so I got 1 pay 1 plus free. So I tried this one actually yesterday, but I didn't like it that much. I mean, it's okay, it's not like great, so I hope this one works for me. Then I also have this mascara, not for my eyes but for my eyebrows, but I didn't try it. However, मैंने इसको देखा and the shade, it's like, because my eyebrow it's like dark, it's like black, and this one if you can see it's brown, so thoda sa shade is like different from my eyebrows, but I'm gonna make it work क्योंकि अब मैं लेके आ चुकी हूँ. I got all these sheet masks from there. They had a lot of sheet masks, so I bought this one. One is for firming mask. This is Vital firming mask. The second one is daily moisture, this one, and the other one is collagen. So let's see how it worked on my skin. Last thing I got from this shop was this earring. This is the earring, and the another one which I got is this, which I'm wearing right now. So yeah, these were the items which I bought from the mall. Now let's move on to the clothes. I love it. I love clothes. And if you'll go there, like they have so many different type of tops. जो भी टॉप आप Pinterest पे देखते हो ना, वो सब उनके पास होती है, सब इन डिफरेंट कलर, डिफरेंट साइज. दे हैव गुड स्कर्ट्स जो मैं बहुत पहले गई थी तभी मैं लेके आई थी. सो यस, I am excited. First thing which I have is this dress. Can you see? This is like a short dress, this much, but this is like a crochet, and this is so nice. This is handmade, of course. Has a tie-up here, and that's it. It's like an off-shoulder top, जो short है, but it's really pretty. I love it. Beautiful. It's like a corset pattern, but it's not a really corset, but it is a corset if you know. So this is the top. Wait. So this is the top. This is so cute. The frill detailing here, जो ऐसे नीचे तक होता है. So this is so cute. This is like a corset pattern, but it's not. Anyway, I'm just gonna price everything down on this screen, so you can just check it out. Next top I have is in a baby pink color. I have is this This is in baby pink color and it's so cute. This is where all the tops which I'm showing you is padded. So in Bangkok mostly like 90% of tops are padded. So आपको इस चीज़ के बारे में सोचने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है that what you wanna wear inside. I also got one more top in white color which I am wearing right now. This is like already tucked in, so you don't need to worry about what you wanna wear. It won't come out basically. So you can style it with jeans or black skirt or white skirt. अभी तो मैंने ये सारे कपड़े mostly jeans के ऊपर पहने थे just to show you guys. I can style it in different way also. Top, it's like a peach color. This I saw एक random store पे, वहाँ पे वो जो stalls लगे होते हैं ना, वहाँ से मैंने लिया. And this is just for 40 or 50 Thai baht if I'm not wrong. This a very basic loose t-shirt which says Miss. And I like it. It's like very old style, like 90s style, which we don't get it now. So I like it. बहुत ज़्यादा flowy है. For summer, it's the best.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I have one dress which is in yellow, not very chatak yellow, not butter yellow, but like proper yellow. I hope मैं आपको सही दिखा रही हूँ, but you will see in the picture. So this is the dress. This is so cute. I know this is not iron, but this is like a long gown. You can wear it in dinner date or beach or to party, wherever. It depends how you are styling it. सब आप पे depend करता है. And this is so cute. This is like an off-shouldered pattern, and यहाँ से यहाँ तक it's all net, like it's see-through basically. And then you have this silk long, it's like really long. And I love dress जो बहुत ज़्यादा long होते हैं, like even if I'm wearing a heels, it should touch the ground. So I just love it. This is so, even the fabric, it's like not वो कड़क वाला net, it's like very soft, and this is very flowy. So I love it. And this was like so cheap. I will just mention the price. You are also not ready for this. I love it. So this is the dress. Oh my god, this is so long. You just wear it like this, and like it's a long gown, and it's backless. So you have to wear some good stick-on or something like that, a boot tape or something to make it work for you. But I love it. This is so long, and the fabric is also so good. It's like very soft cotton, or I think it's a cotton, but I love it. This is very good for beach wear. I can't wait to style. The last top which I have of my favorite top, and which is this. This is so nice. This is so blingy. This is like a proper perfect party wear dress. इसमें they had a lot of color option like black. Last thing which I forgot to show you is this shades. I so wanted this shades from a very long time. This has like some golden detailing here, like both the side. And yeah, so this is how it looks. So yes, this was the last thing which I bought. For female, they had a lot of option, lot of color, lot of patterns, so you can just check it out whenever you're going to Bangkok. Make sure you go to any of these markets. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Bye.